Because of who you are, I give you glory. Because of who you
Commercial pilot Ricoseta Mafela, a devout Christian, hums worship songs during his flights. But moments before the earthquake and tsunami hit Indonesia last month, he felt the urge to sing aloud.
Because of who you are. God seems like saying, hey, just praise me and worship me.
Captain Mafela said he saw nothing unusual as he approached Palu that day, other than strong winds that prompted a split decision to circle before landing. That delayed him landing by 9 minutes. As passengers departed and Mafela prepared for his next flight, he heard the voice again.
Get out of this place. Depart early.
Captain Mafela wondered if it was just his imagination or something else. Regardless, he obeyed what he had heard and took off 3 minutes earlier than the scheduled departure time. That decision literally saved him and his 148 passengers.
The quake started on the Donggala area 17:55, 5:55 p.m. I pushed back at 5:52. The wave of the earthquake reached Palu 7.4, 7.7. It's just exactly after my liftoff. Yes.
Those 3 minutes were crucial. After Captain Mafela's plane was safely airborne, this control tower started to cave in because of the strong earthquake, forcing air traffic controller Antonius Agong to jump from the 4th floor. He was a hero. Unfortunately, he died due to internal injuries. At the time, Captain Mafela and his passengers had no idea what was taking place below them. Later, Mafela realized his cell phone camera had captured a view of waves starting to form into tsunamis that struck central Sulawesi.
Those runway crack behind me, and the deep is around 1.5 to 2 meters. Behind the runway, that's where the liquefactions only happen on my departure time.
Captain Mafela is glad he listened and obeyed.
Oh God, thank you so much. God reveals everything. If you are late even just 1 or 2 seconds, it could be a disaster. I don't need to prove that God is alive. I don't need to prove that God is here. I've seen it. It's more than enough for me.
Lucille Talusan, CBN News, Palu, Indonesia.